Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. আজকে আমি চলে এসেছি একটা নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। আজকে আমরা পড়ব ইম্পর্টেন্ট সিনোনিমস এর উপরে। তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ আমার চোখের অবস্থা খুব একটা ভালো নয়, খুব সমস্যা হচ্ছে, চোখে স্ট্রেন হচ্ছে, কিন্তু তা সত্ত্বেও আমি সেই জন্য এই অবস্থায় আসতে হলো। তো ফর দ্যাট প্লিজ এক্সকিউজ মি। তো শুরু করা যাক আজকের ক্লাস। আজকে আমরা পড়ব ইম্পর্টেন্ট সিনোনিমস। আমরা জানি যে সিনোনিমস বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষায় আসে, বিভিন্ন কম্পিটিটিভ পরীক্ষাতে আসে, সেটা স্কুল সার্ভিস কমিশন হোক বা রেলওয়ে বা এনটিপিসি বা পিএসসি বিভিন্ন এক্সামে অথবা সিজিএল এক্সামেতেও আমরা জানি যে ইম্পর্টেন্ট সিনোনিমস আসে, এবং এই ধরনের সিনোনিমসগুলো একটু আলাদা হয়। দিজ আর ডিফারেন্ট ফ্রম দ্য সিনোনিমস আর ওয়ার্ড we use in our day-to-day conversation. So today our topic is synonyms, which are different, a bit difficult, exam oriented type. So let's begin. So let us straight away go to the slide. So the first one is there for you, that is esoteric. Now the first one is esoteric. The first example, that is esoteric. Let me just adjust the board. Yes, I hope it's fine now. So the first one is esoteric. Now esoteric means something that is mysterious, something that is mysterious. Now you just tell me which option out of the following four options given in the question similar to the one that is esoteric. Lugubrious is there, insolvent is there, then the third one is insolent is there, and the last one is abstruse is there. Now you just tell me which one is the right option. বলো দেখি কোনটা right option. দেখো, ইসোটেরিক মানে মিস্টেরিয়াস, মিন্স মিস্টেরিয়াস, যেটা সহজে বোঝা যায় না, গুঁড়ো। তো লুগুব্রিয়াস মিন্স গ্লুমি বা স্যাড, স্যাড বলতে পারি, বা আমরা গ্লুমি বলতে পারি। লুগুব্রিয়াস মিন্স স্যাড বা গ্লুমি বলতে পারি, স্যাড বা গ্লুমি, স্যাড বা গ্লুমি। Now insolvent, insolvent, that is someone who is destitute, okay, poor. And insolent means impudent or arrogant, arrogant, যে প্রচণ্ড দাম্ভিক, ARROGUNT. And abstruse means also mysterious or impenetrable, যা সহজে ভেদ করা যায় না। So the right option is here abstruse. Okay, so the right option is here abstruse. Now moving on, the number two example, sneer. Now sneer means which option here? Four option given, চারটে অপশন আছে, আর্কেইন, recalcitrant, mock, aesthetic. Now out of four option, common one is aesthetic, যেটা নান্দনিক আমরা বাংলায় বলি, paragon of beauty, you can say, in that sense, aesthetic value. So aesthetic তো হবে না। আচ্ছা, অপশন দেখে মনে হচ্ছে স্নিয়ার, মক হবে, মকিং, জারিং, তিরস্কার করা কোনো কিছু বা ঘৃণার চোখে দেখা, এই সেন্সটা কাজ করবে। আর আর্কেন, তোমরা জানো আর্কেন মানে মিস্টেরিয়াস, আর্কেন, ইসোটেরিক অ্যান্ড অ্যাবস্ট্রুজ। আর্কেন, this one, arcane, esoteric and abstruse, meaning mysterious or impenetrable, mysterious or impenetrable, mysterious or impenetrable. Then recalcitrant means obstinate, Recalcitrant means obstinate. Obstinate, or you can say defiant. D-E-F-I-A-N-T, defiant. One who doesn't conform to established rules. Okay, rebellious in sort of nature. So it is clear. So sneer, the right option is mock. Now why I'm writing all these options, because these are all important. It is not only 10 examples, because all the 4 examples are very important. You may expect any of the option in any questions. So it is very important to know the all four options given. Okay, so that would be helpful for your exam, any exam, competitive exam, very helpful. These are all selected one, often come in the exam. Sorry. Now number three is immaculate. Now immaculate is also very important synonym. You will often find different exam this option is given, immaculate synonym. So the answer would be here, interesting, definite, infuriate. Now of course it will be impeccable. Now there is a tricks there, a mnemonic is there. Both are starting with M. Sorry, both are starting with M. Okay, so that in that sense we can say immaculate and impeccable means spotless. What is the meaning? That is spotless. Okay, spotless or unblemished. You can say unblemished, spotless or unblemished. So the right option here out of 4 option is impeccable. Interesting, is very easy, something that evokes interest, and definite, that is to the point, definite answer, and infuriate, that makes someone agitated, যেটা কোনো ক্রোধের সৃষ্টি করে. Okay, the next one, sorry, number 4. Now number 4, soporific. Now soporific, that is sleep inducing, that sort of works like a tranquilizer. Okay, soothing, no, soothing is not. Terrific, no, terrific is not. Supreme, no, supreme is also not. So we are left with sleep inducing. So the right option is sleep inducing. Okay, so what is the synonym? Another synonym, that is sedative. Okay, sedative, sedative, sorry, sedative. Now the next one, this is also very important synonym for different exam, mendacious. Now mendacious, we have 4 option. One is mischievous, another is provocative, another is false, and the last one is defiant. Now defiant already we know, rebellious sort of nature. False we know, provocative, that provokes someone, যেটা প্ররোচনা সৃষ্টি করে, but it got 2 connotation. One is positive, another is negative. It may provoke to do something positive, optimistic one, or negative one. So both the connotations are there. But mendacious means deceitful, বা আমরা বাংলা যাকে বলি কপট, or deceitful, DECEITFUL, deceitful or bad in nature. So right answer here would be mischievous. Okay, so these are the 5 important here. Now in the next slide we have 5 more. Sorry. Now number C, just look at the option. Number C, you have innocuous. The option are, let me just arrange the board. Yes, I hope it's fine. Well, yes, now innocuous option are injurious, useful, harmless, and sneer. Now innocuous, a word, it seems very difficult and not common, but it is a very favorite of exam setter, of different exam. Innocuous is in that sense innocent. You can create a mnemonic. Innocent means harmless. Now injurious, no, injurious is not. Useful, no, useful is also eliminated. So right option is harmless. So mnemonic to remind or keep in your memory, that is innocent. Okay, so innocent. So innocuous, here the right option is harmless. Right option is harmless. Or another word also used in the exam, that is benign. 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 And opposite of benign is malign. Malingn. Malign. So benign is also the right option here, that is harmless. Okay, so innocuous is the option. So this is not just simply four option. You have to also know the associated words, because you cannot expect that this is the particular synonym you are going to expect in the exam. So in that sense, knowing the word related or associated with the particular word is also very important. Just like innocuous, while you are reading, you also keep in mind innocent, benign, malign, because you cannot expect which word would be given in the exam. So it's always fair and to be at the good side to prepare from all angles. Okay, so next one is befogged. Now befogged option is bewildered, panicky, scanty, and plenty. Now plenty is eliminated, scanty is also eliminated, and panicky, you know that being panicked. And the option we are left with bewildered means surprised or astonished. Astonished. Okay, so or stunned, you can say. These are the word used in the exam. Now the last three option we have. Number 8, parsimonious. Now parsimonious is also an exam oriented word synonym. Parsimonious means miserly. Parsimonious means miserly. MISIRLY. But miserly, that is in the negative sense. It's a negative sense. Okay, negative sense. It's a negative trait of a person being highlighted here. Now the option is frugal, ubiquitous, fastidious, pompous. Pompous, we know that is jakjomokpurno, something with grandeur associated with. Now fastidious, that is one who is very fussy, fussy, that is khutkhute, who is very particular of minute details, that is fastidious. And ubiquitous, that is all pervading. All options here are very important, often given in the exam. All pervading or omnipresent, you can say. Ubiquitous, all pervading. These are all exam oriented synonym. We do not use in our day-to-day communications or spoken English, because all these are exam type synonyms word. Okay, excuse me. Okay, the next one is phlegmatic. That is next one, phlegmatic. The phlegmatic means calm in nature. CALM, calm. Impressive, no, impressive not. Divisive means something or some features that create division. So divisive is not. Derisive is also not. Derisive is also not. Rebuking. Derisive means rebuking. Rebuking. So it is also not. So eliminated. So it is impassive, that is unemotional. That's a phlegmatic. Okay, The last option is also very important and exam type, exam oriented. Impecunious. Impecunious option is indignant. I have written the meaning also. Insolvent, finicky, that is fussy, that I just told, fastidious, and intransigent, that is adamant. Excuse me. That is intransigent, that is adamant, and deleterious. Deleterious means harmful. Deleterious means harmful. Harmful. Now, intransigent, that is also adamant or someone who is very obstinate. Obstinate. You have to remember obstinate, adamant, and intransigent. Intransigent. Now, the right option impecunious, that is here. Right option is indigent. Indigent or insolvent. Bangla jeta boli hotodorittro. Penniless. Okay, that is in that sense penniless. 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 Impecunious or informal word আমরা ইউজ করি broke. Broke, BROK. I'm broke, completely financially destroyed. Okay, so these are the option. These are the 10 options, 10 important synonyms that we studied today. I hope you enjoyed, and excuse me for the interruption caused due to my health. Thank you.